I'm going to put this picture of yours, and in which you said this is that meeting that happened in Patna, and you said, and I quote. I went to the joint opposition meeting in Patna with Sharad Pawar, and I felt like laughing when I saw the scene there. There were 17 opposition parties. 7 of them have only one MP in the Lok Sabha, and there's one party which has 0 MPs. They claim they will bring change. Was this that watershed moment when you felt that I cannot be part of this India alliance? Was this a moment?
Yes, most certainly. I was very much present, and what I have been quoted by you is exactly what I felt at that time. That we are talking about,
Here you are with
yes, of
Supriya
course.
Sule,
See,
Tejasvi and
personal
the others.
relationships will always be there. Tejasvi or Manoj Jha, these are all personal friends, and we had actually gone to call on Laluji's because of his ill health. And that will, see, at personal level, we should have those relationships.
Yeah, and with Stalin and
yeah,
the
yeah,
others.
but I could sense that, these are only photo ops. There's no real commonality of interest. There's no commonality of purpose. There's no meeting of the minds. Everybody is, just coming together, photo op, and trying to say that everything is, well, and we just want to defeat Modi. There's no agenda. There's no vision for the country. There's no developmental agenda. I want to oppose Modi, so I will come together with others.
So
That
who
is
was
not the answer.
leading these conversations here? Was it Rahul Gandhi? Was it Sharad Pawarji? Who was leading the charge?
See, at the end of the day, let me be very honest. People may say anything and fool themselves, but it is ultimately the Congress party which runs this agenda. And the narrative is only set. They will come the
The
last.
Congress party यहाँ पे तो only
Why
Rahul was
Gandhi
there,
is there, Mallikarjun Kharge ji is
But
there.
was Kharge ji
And-
reading or was it
and-
just
and-
Rahul Gandhi?
No. Both spoke.
And you
Both
can
spoke.
see Mamata Banerjee sulking, not talking.
Yeah. No.
Sharad Pawarji
Yes.
not very happy, and I think Kejriwal caught up in his own world at that stage.
Absolutely.
Knowing fully well that
Absolutely.
there's because that was going to burst any minute, that
Yes.
liquor scam issue.
Yes.
So
Even Akhilesh hardly
Akhilesh.
was, involved in. Okay.
and even now
All-
they can't get the name together. He still calls it PDA, Akhilesh. He doesn't call it India Alliance.
So my point is that if this is the kind of narrative we are going to set for the country, that we are just here for defeating Modi, does that go down well with the people? After all, India and aspirational India wants to know what you're going to do for the country. Rahul Gandhi, in all his speeches, is only ranting and raving about Modi and his policies. But okay, fine, you may rave and rant, but please tell us what's next for you. You can't have, both ways, everything going your way.
And then we have this picture a few weeks later. You are there with
Yes,
Modi ji.
of course.
So, what did you get the sentiment out there that day when you were there with Modi ji? I mean, this was like June 23rd, you're there, July 18th, you're there.
Yes, of course. That is the point. The meeting of the NDA was a meeting, of course, more like a, people getting together to show that, yes, we are demonstrating. But when you hear the Prime Minister speaking in that meeting, you get the sense that what he is trying to convey, that he's not just saying that, okay, we are all these friends together and we need to work together. No, he's also setting an agenda for all of us and for the country. And the vision which he carries. Actually, I'm not saying this because today we are a part of the NDA. I have known Prime Minister Modi ji before he even became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. I have seen him work as the Chief Minister.
It's your
of
Gujarat connection.
It's not necessarily that. But okay, now, you can call it
Gujarati,
anything.
Gujarati, always there is.
No. There's nothing of that sort. There's nothing of that sort. But at the same
Do
time.
you speak Gujarati,
Yes,
right?
I do speak.
Okay.
But with him also.
Okay.
But my point is, the fact is, he has always been a very hardworking, very meticulous person, and always forward-looking with a developmental agenda.
Click here to watch the full episode.